Alrighty, let me begin by saying, about a few weeks ago, I had this really shitty computer that could not run anything whatsoever, nor it could not edit anything. Well, it could, but like, it was struggling so much to the point where it would fucking explode. Until now, I just got my new computer that can do anything, and a bunch of stuff that I've always wanted to try out. And yeah, here's this video of me unboxing it. This gameplay of me and my friend playing Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War, which we've been. I have this computer now, so. Oh my god. Bro. Look at this shit, man. What the fuck? Okay, hold on. Oh my god. Look at this shit. I got it's taking it. So beautiful, but damn. I don't know how to get this shit out. Oh, I know. I could just. Yeah. Okay, I took it out. Oh shit. Okay, time for real part. Okay, here I am with my computer. Time to reset it because I needs to. And go. And yeah. You suck. After a long time, plugged in my new monitor. Yeesh. Got the CPU in there. Now it's time to see if it turns on. Oh, maybe it's not on. Oh shit. Okay, moment of truth. Okay, so this is the part y'all been waiting for, the gameplay to Call of Duty, and also, I just wanted to say thank you so much for all the support that I've gotten in that last video, and holy shit, also thank you for the 336 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Please keep supporting me. I
gotta add you on Cold War, because I don't think I added you.
No, I already have you added.
Oh, do you?
Why is Ghost looking at me with...
Whoa.
Oh.
How does it feel?
Oh my god! I'm not there! I'm gone! Oh. Never mind, I spawned in.
5 kills.
Hi, my name is...
Oh. Hooray for... Oh.
Hooray for SpongeBob! Hooray!
Yep.
Oh. Ooh. XM4? Hey, look at this. Hey! Oh.
The XM. You got the XM4.
Team deathmatch.
9/11!
I'm aware that a lot of you niggas.
Bonnie, wait. Hold on. Where'd you go?
I heard footsteps. What the fuck is wrong with you?
I hear you, but I don't see. I just saw you.
Hey.
Oh.
Oh, you're Ghost. What?
I'm Ghostface. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Can I get that? Oh! How do I inspect weapons?
You're on keyboard, so you might have to try.
Oh, that's Sorry! Wait.
You can do shit, bro.
What's Oh, so that's my melee? Okay.
Shut the fuck up, you
What's
cunt!
this button? Oh, I'm sorry. Maybe. Oh, it's I. Oh. Look at my pistol. Do you see
You
it?
look really. Yes, I do.
That's so cool. Do you see it?
Wait, hold up. Wait.
So
Yeah.
shiny.
I'm gonna
Stand right here.
say the N-word.
What's that?
Single
Stand
shooter.
right here and inspect it. I'll get a better angle.
Oh, you can see it?
That's racist.
Here, stand right here. I want to do it right here. Look into the horizon.
God motherfucking damn.
Wow. Look at the sun.
Wait, I don't know how to
Did you forget how to hit?
No. Oh, is it E? Do I just proceed? Oh. God damn! Get shit on!
Bro, he fell through the fucking...
Where?
Where are you?
Down the...
Oh, hi.
Oh, Jesus Christ. What are you doing? Okay.
Real quick.
But stop moving!
Alright. And wait
Stay the
till
fuck
I
down.
get there.
Damn. Okay, price. Oh god. Wait.
Now go
What's
up to the
that?
gun and grab it. Go up to the gun and grab it.
Oh my god. How
The
do
white
I-
rabbit.
How do I inspect again? Oh.
Ew! I'm high! I'm high! Whoa. What
Trippy,
the
right?
fuck? Oh, that's so weird.
Hold on, get some kills so you can see the
Oh, okay.
reactor.
Pulling ahead.
So you
I have to get 3?
have to get 3 for each stage to activate. So
Oh, that's lame.
Oh!
right here,
Where?
behind you.
Oh.
Stop running away.
5 by.
Mission timeline for
Oh, it's green. Oh.
Spy plane RTB.
Oh. You did it, bro.
Why are these ragdolls so fucking funny?
Get out of my way.
Get out my way!
I
Yeah.
have dark ether on. Hold on. Kill me real quick and grab the pistol I have.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah, get shot.
That gun removed.
Ooh. What are you gonna do in this gun, though?
Well, I have it on the other guns.
Oh, okay.
So you get dark aether for every gun. You just have to do the challenges in zombies.
Oh, I'm stupid. Oh, what the? This is. Oh my god! I can't believe I'm playing Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. Oh my god!
I know. It's crazy, bro.
It's been so long since I've seen the ghost face to this.
You're so lucky you get to experience this
Coming
for the
through.
first fucking time, bro.
I know.
I remember when this shit came out and I was so excited.
Ooh, what's this? Put a little smoke bomb. Look at
That's.
that shit.
I think that's a care. I think that's a care package.
Yeah, shit.
Well, no, it's gonna drop it right on you.
Oh, I thought I was gonna.
Hi, how are you?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Your head's gone.
What do you mean?
Dude, I just shot your head off.
Where? Let me see. That's not me. Where?
Right here.
What? Dude! Ew! Why does it look like that?
Stellar.
Oh, is it? Oh.
Yeah. Is that a bomb? Is it gonna explode? Oh my god, I killed someone! That's so crazy! Why'd you hit the Jesus pose? What the fuck?
Oh my god!
What is that? Oh. That's my
Wait
other
here.
option.
Wait here. I'll give you
Drone!
Here, I'll give you Here, I'll give you my tundra.
Bring that ass here.
Okay.
Here, kill me, and then I can drop the tundra.
Okay.
Damn, it's so huge!
What the fuck?
You better!
Yeah. Where's it? Where'd it go? Oh. Ew. Oh, you
Right.
gave it the anime boobas. If it shows.
Titty!
Alright, so whenever you're ready to snipe, let me know. Okay, thank you for letting me know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be so bad though, because I've never played on keyboard and mouse in like Call of
Oh.
Duty game. I don't know. Because normally I just. Ah! Heavy ass sniper, fucking slow ass motherfucker.
How? What?
Where you at?
I'm just a little bad, maybe. Maybe just a little.
Oh, I missed.
You can do shit,
The slow ass sniper.
With the zooming in.
I've got you in my sights.
Ew, why is he moaning like that?
Nope.
Is Price moaning?
Yes, he's like. "Urgh."
Oh, that's mine.
朋友是一个坚韧不拔的。
Slow ass.
I'm crazy?
Okay.
I'm going
Okay.
insane?
I see you, bro.
I'm going schizophrenic?
This map called the DIE machine or the die
But
machine.
what the hell, boy?
Get moving, people. Recon the site, eliminate all
Oh, oh my god, there's so many.
Nope.
Welcome to Call of Duty. Like a forward zombies. Yeah.
Wait, what? What is that?
Alright, so you want to buy this door?
doesn't say anything. Oh!
Bring that ass here.
Wait, where?
Oh, here's your first perk machine.
Oh, what is it? Oh.
Stamina.
Should I? Yeah, okay. Why not? Oh, I can't. No, not really. Big zombies too.
I'll buy this door.
We're just
Jug
back
is over
outside.
here.
What? Dude, what?
Jug is over here.
What did you take?
Thing cost.
朋友是一个坚韧又纪录片。
Do I have enough? Oh, I have.
Well, there's one like that, right?
Do the thingy!
The song, yeah. Plays the
I'm
song.
jamming out. I'm jamming real quick.
Oh, yeah, they're more generous. That's actually a good way to put it. They're more generous in this one than
Yeah.
they were in the old song.
Yeah. Oh my god!
Like anything with anything before.
Deadshot's right here.
I thought you fell off the map for a second.
Rarity for it to do more damage. Like it goes from red to green to blue to purple, and then it goes to gold.
What's this?
That's elemental pop.
Oh.
So we click it.
Gold! Gold! Are you taking it? Are you taking it? Oh my god.
Oh my god!
What the buy? Oh.
It's like 500. It's not that much.
Whoa! God. No! It's happening again, Gold! It's happening again! Oh my god! Wait, don't think it's gonna stop it. It's done it! Yeah! Oh, I have enough! Should I do it?
Weaver,
If you want to.
this is incredible.
I did it.
The anomaly,
There you go.
it's a bridge
Let me
to the
see
other
your sack
dimension.
Whoa.
You know, the one currently spilling into our own
That's
reality.
so cool.
What did you say, nigga?
Wait, we still haven't gotten a mystery box. I didn't realize.
Oh, you know, yeah, the mystery box should be open. did you? Oh.
Yeah, because I pressed the first one. I was like, oh. And then I saw. Oh, wait. Is this?
Oh,
Oh no.
wait for it.
No, it is.
Did you hear it?
Yes, I
Did
did.
you hear
Oh,
it?
fun.
What the dog do?
They're so huge.
Oh yeah, they explode and they put gas everywhere, so don't stand too close.
ass back here, boy!
What the fuck, dude?
5 minutes later.
I'm so scared. What are you doing? Are you gonna bomb us?
Oh no, there it is.
Bring
that
that ass
one.
here, boy.
And then, oh shit, I think the big guy just spawned.
ass back here, boy!
What is that, dude?
The big guy.
Is the kill?
走，
Megatron! His name's Megatron!
Oh yeah.
What did you do?
Don't worry about it, you're gonna love this.
Oh god. Mark zombie? What does that mean? What the fuck?
They're doing the coffin dance.
Oh my god! Take this!
Throwing decoy.
Oh, that's a D. You motherfucker! Can I kill you?
To the middle,
You alright, mate?
because that's where this thing is supposed to fucking
Oh,
end, but they're
okay.
taking their sweet ass time getting to the middle. Oh, never mind.
Hurry up, you guys! I collected an
There it is.
intel.
Alright. Here it is.
Whoa!
Oh, ray gun! Ray gun! Ray gun!
Oh my god!
Think I'm
Ray gun! Bitch! Is this
How's it
really?
feel holding the ray
It's
gun?
the ray gun, dude! Oh my god, dude!
Oh, give me a Oh, that's why I haven't yet.
Yeah.
There we go.
Ah!
Oh, how much
Better
is
lie.
that? Alright, let's go get, so it's down here, and It's if you see right here, there's a giant ass skeleton.
Oh,
So
there is.
watch, you'll see what I mean.
That
So I
ass
activated it,
Oh.
see like that. And the dude, of course, had to fucking spawn. The giant guy, he just spawned. Oh, you gotta watch behind you.
Oh my god! Oh shit.
Is it done? No, it's cooling down.
But
Okay,
what the hell, boy?
Oh, there's a fucking zombie dog. Oh, did you just get knocked?
Yes.
Hey, I got you. Bro, revive. There you go. You're welcome. Oh, noob.
朋友是一个坚韧
Oh,
如
grab it. It should say that it's
Oh
gotta
my.
get them all. We just gotta get them all over here.
Nope.
Dog.
I gotta kill the dog. Help me!
Oh shit. Why'd you put this on me, dude?
I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to die. You got it.